The pre-filter consists of a felt filter element and a foam filter element. The pre-filter removes the larger particles of dirt and dust before they make their way to the main filter. The pre-filter should be inspected and cleaned often. It should be replaced once or twice a year, depending on how much the vacuum is used. Replacing the pre-filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the canister from the vacuum. With the canister removed, now I have access to the pre-filter. First, I'll remove the foam filter, and then the felt. Now I can install the new pre-filter. First, the felt filter. You'll notice there's a little tag on the felt filter. I'll install the filter with the tag pointing out. And now the foam filter. With the filters in place, I'll finish up by reinstalling the canister. And that's how simple it is to install a new pre-filter in your vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.